Hi! In this video, we'll show you how to get started with Temple Wallet. Temple Wallet is a web extension which allows you to manage your Tezos private keys via your web browser. By doing so, it serves as a wallet for Tezos and FA 1.2 or FA2 tokens and allows you to visit the distributed web of tomorrow in your browser today. To be more specific, it allows you to run Tezos dApps and DeFi right in your browser. Our mission is to make Tezos as easy to use for as many people as possible. Temple Wallet is available for Chrome and Firefox as well as Brave. In this video, we will use the Chrome browser. We need to go to the Chrome store, select the Temple Wallet, and click Add to Chrome. After installing the Temple Wallet extension, you will get to the start page where you can import wallet or create a new one. At this point, you should make sure that your internet connection is secure and there are no phishing apps in your device. We don't recommend you to use public networks and devices that do not belong to you. If you already have a Tezos wallet, you can import your seed phrase into the Temple Wallet and access your assets. In other videos on this channel, we will tell you how to import a wallet from Kukai, Magma, Tezbox, Cryptomics, and so on. If you are a new user, then you can create a completely new wallet. You just need to click Create a New Wallet. After that, you will need to create a password. It will be required to enter the wallet. Please keep it in a safe place, but better remember it. Then the Temple Wallet generates your seed phrase. If you forget your password, or if you want to enter the wallet with another device, you can restore your wallet with it. Before opening it, make sure that no one is watching your monitor and there are no cameras nearby. Then, write this phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a secure location. Or you can memorize it. For storing your seed phrase in any digital device or in the cloud, you can use such applications as 1Password or already trusted by your data encryption tools. Do not share this phrase with anyone. It can be used to steal all your funds. Click Next. Congratulations! You have created a new account in the Temple Wallet. Now you can use any funds on the Tezos network, interact with decentralized applications, choose a baker, and much more. To connect your wallet with a decentralized application on the Tezos network, you need to enter the application website, select Connect Wallet, then select Temple. After that, you will see a window where Temple will ask you to confirm the connection by clicking Connect. Now you can perform operations. Thank you for choosing the Temple Wallet. On our channel, you can find additional information on how to choose a baker in Tezos, as well as how to import your Tezos account from other wallets. Also, you can find more information in our communities, as well as in articles on our blog.